beds. Morning, you guys. Today is Saturday. Hugo and I ordered some Starbucks off Uber Eats, and today I got the chai tea latte but with the pumpkin sauce. Taste test. Oh my gosh, so amazing. So since it's Saturday, we are doing a little bit of a weekend reset. We always like to do this on the weekends and just kind of prep for the week ahead, whether it be cleaning, grocery shopping, just any tasks that we need to get done before the week, because it's so stressful to do like during the work week. So today we have a lot of cleaning around the house to do, and I need to drop off some stuff to Goodwill. We put together like a huge pile of like clothes that we're getting rid of. That is the plans for today. Nothing very exciting, but first I just got a package in the mail from Fila. They sent over this really nice yoga mat. It's like the softest material, really squishy, and look how cute this bag is. So they launched a new size inclusive activewear line. So they sent over a really nice water bottle, this like cropped hoodie. It is so soft, you guys. This sports bra is really cute. I like the little straps and the color. They also sent this cute little tank. It's like a really thin, like breathable material with matching bike shorts and then a little cropped white t-shirt. These are all so cute. I'm so excited to use everything. This is such a sweet package. I've actually been ordering a lot of activewear recently since I'm actually like working out these days. So I'm very excited. We're going to have a very sporty wardrobe because that's literally all I've been buying recently. I haven't really bought real clothes.
My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy and shit. Like, I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even. You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece of shit. No, fuck you.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. Must need overdose on empathy. My pops.
Okay, quick pause to the cleaning. We got a lot done. I put away pretty much all my laundry. We just have to do like the dishes and like vacuum and mop and stuff. But we need to run to Goodwill really quick because we have a ton of stuff that we need to donate. And then we need to pick up the dog's food. We're loading it up. We really did a full clean out. Alright, they cleared us out. I had a ton of clothes that I had like taking over our guest bedroom that I finally got rid of. I have a few things still on my Depop and Poshmark, but a lot of it had just been like listed forever. So I got rid of all of that. We got rid of like blankets and home decor and like just stuff.
I got rid of a lot of my crap too, actually.
You got rid of a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this little Pusheen cat bowl. I want to get it for like jewelry. You got the food?
Got the good.
Guys, they literally have champion collars and like little shirts and socks. Should we get one?
Maybe a collar.
Look how cute all the little dog toys are. They have all the Halloween costumes out. Look at this one.
Hugo's treats. And could I get a number 2 with 5 fingers, please?
We're making a quick stop at Zaxby's before we head home and feed the children.
Who are starving.
They are starving.
I think they are. It's
Yeah.
way past their meal time.
Boba is so funny. As soon as it hits like 5 p.m, that's usually when Hugo gets off work, and so that's when we feed them and like start dinner and everything. He starts crying right at 5. He's like staring at me. He's like, all right, come on. Like, he's got it down.
Oh, he knows.
He knows.
All right.
Should we give them the waffle and toast?
All right, waffle and toast. Pick one.
I'm gonna give Aspen the waffle.
All right.
Sweet girl. I think she likes it. They smell really good.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Aspen. Good morning. Hello you guys, I just got ready for the day. The makeup that I did today is the exact same that I did in my little get ready with me in the last vlog. The only difference is that I did wear this foundation today instead. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It. It is so good. I haven't really used many drugstore foundations in a really long time, honestly. And I finally did a little fake tan action, so it actually matches me right now. This is the fake tan that I use. Let me know if you guys want a more in-depth video on my self-tan routine, what products I use, how I do it and prepare for it, etc. Let me know. I also have two very exciting packages to show you. You probably have seen these on Instagram by now, but I have not shown the vlog, fam. These are my new Nike Air Maxes. They are so cool. If you watched my sneaker collection video, I actually just got, let me show you, these pretty recently, and I just fell in love with this sneaker. I think that it is so cool, so unique, especially this one. Like, the colors are so good, and like it's black velvet inside. It's just really cool, and like the little shoelace detail on the backs, I was obsessed. So I actually saw these on the sneakers app and I was like, I love them. I love them so much. But I also got another package today, and this one I'm very excited about because I actually won them on the sneakers app. Again, I mentioned the sneakers app a lot in my sneaker collection video. I've actually never won anything for myself on the app. I've won a pair of Nike Dunks for Hugo, but this is the first one that I scored for myself, and it's so good. You guys are going to die when you see them. They're unreal. So they are perfect. Like, they are literally everything. I cannot even get over them. So these are the new babies. These are the Nike Dunk Highs in white and aluminum, and the color is just so good. I have been really loving like pastel blues lately, just all shades of blues really, and I'm just obsessed. I cannot wait to style these this fall. The groceries are here. I saw these. They are just cookie dough with Oreo pieces, and I had to get them. Like, these sound so good, they look so good, and I love that you can eat them raw. So I had to pick up some food for dinners this week. We normally go shopping once a week because it's just easier for me to plan what meals I want to make during the week. So I get 4 meals. Like this week we're having like tacos, a certain pasta dish that I found on Pinterest, and then like this creamy salmon. I will show you guys that recipe later in the week because it is so good. It's like our favorite. And then normally on Fridays we eat out, but I had to get a few snacks and like other little things. Tonight we're having tacos, so I had to get some beans, and I got some Mexican rice. But yeah, I also am planning on doing a what I eat in a day video. Let me know if you like those, because I feel like I show like dinners and stuff that I make, but I don't really focus on like what I'm eating day to day. So I think it's kind of a fun way to do that. I think those videos are like relaxing. I am constantly binging them. I love them on TikTok as well. Right now I'm having these little Pringles. Love Pringles. Actually, you guys are set up on a can of Pringles. Big fan of Pringles. Excuse me? Who's this girl with these long locks? Look how freaking pretty these are. Okay, it took me a million years to try out my new Foxy Locks extensions. I unboxed them like 2 vlogs ago maybe, because I just wasn't sure that they would match, but like once the hair is curled, I feel like it looks really nice. I'm like obsessed with them. I forgot how much like I miss having long hair. Like I love how it looks. Also, this little bralette that I have on is from Skims. I am obsessed with Skims. You guys don't even understand. I think I have a package out for delivery this week actually. But anyways, I had to come on and show you the extensions because I love how they look. I don't know if I will wear them every day because it's definitely a lot of work. And like these are the clip-ins, so they can get kind of heavy. And before I forget, these are the Seamless Deluxe extensions, 20 inches in the shade Chocolate. You guys can actually use my coupon code Foxy Hailie. But yeah, check it out. They are literally my favorite extensions because everything feels like just so silky and soft. Oh, obsessed. Hi, it is like 2:30 in the afternoon today. I woke up feeling really weird. I think I was anxious. My chest was like really tight and I felt like kind of nauseous and had a stomach ache. It was really weird and uncomfortable, so I just kind of laid around, but now I'm up and at 'em. I got my Skims delivery in though, so we can unbox this together. I'm so excited. I love the packaging that everything comes in. So freaking cute. So I ordered some tank tops. They have this material called cotton jersey and it is the softest, comfiest thing ever. So I saw they had it in tank tops and I ordered it immediately. I love this color so much. It's like very stretchy, so comfortable. So I'm really, really excited about these. This is the shade Mineral. And then I got it in black as well. Here's the black one. I have been trying to kind of like build up my wardrobe with basics, just like plain t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, whatever. So I'm very, very excited about these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I saw that they had Slouch Socks on their website. They just launched socks. So I got a few different styles. I got the Slouch Socks, which basically they just like kind of scrunch at your ankle and they're just like chunky socks. I thought these were perfect for winter. I got like this kind of like creamy oatmeal shade and then gray will match everything. And I love crew socks. I'm always wearing my Nike like crew socks. So I ordered a few of these as well. Oh, they feel really nice and soft. Again, this is like a creamy tone, really cute. And this is like that same mineral shade. I have this in like a few pairs of underwear as well. And I love this color so much. I think it's really pretty. I also got this color of the crew socks. This is the same color as the sports bra or the bralette that I was wearing yesterday. And this is what the packaging looks like for the ankle socks. They're really cute. They look so tiny, but okay, they feel really soft. The bottom says Skims. I don't know if you can tell. Really cute. Okay, so here's all the little ankle socks that I got. I realized like I don't really have ankle socks anymore, so I was really excited when these came out because most of mine have like holes in them from the dog, the love socks. Got a lot of neutrals and they had like a bundle deal. I really love Skims because they do have like a lot of bundle deals on the website. So like for the underwear, I ordered 3 because it's like if you buy 3, it's like 25 or 27 or something like that. I don't know, maybe 32. Not really sure, but like when I made my first Skims order, I ordered a bundle of the cotton jersey thongs, which started the whole addiction. And these are, I think, the briefs, hipster briefs, so like a comfier style. We'll see about these. They are so cute. I just love like how like stretchy and comfy they are. Like look how comfy these look. So anyways, they had a bundle deal on the socks as well. So like each pair of socks ended up being like $7, which is like pricier for like an ankle sock, a single pair of ankle socks, but I am just kind of obsessed with Skims. So this is my little haul. I'm very excited about everything. Like I said, I'm trying to buy more basics and like things that I actually need. Like I need socks, I need underwear. And like since I tried Skims underwear, I now want to replace all of my underwear with Skims. So slowly, we will get there. Okay, I had to try it on and I'm obsessed. I love the fit of it. So stretchy, it's so soft and comfortable. The color is beautiful. I ordered a size medium in both this tank and the black one, and then I wear a 34C, and I feel like it just fits really nice. But I wanted to show you guys. Hugo is yelling in the other room. The bralette that I was wearing yesterday, again, same stretchy material as this one, but I really like that it has the adjustable straps. This is the other bra that I have from them. Again, the same color. Like I just really love this tone. It's so cute. But I also have the matching briefs in this style. So like the band is the same on the briefs, same color and everything. And they're cute, but they're not my favorite. Like I would either size up in them because like they come up really high waist and then they kind of like squeeze like my sides, and so it kind of like spills over the band, which I don't really like. But I think that I want to order the boxers in this like matching style because I think those might be a little bit more comfortable and also a little bit more flattering. I do have a picture on my Instagram in this set if you guys want to see it, but I really do like the bra. It holds everything up really nice and it has like a really good fit. It has the band on the back, it's adjustable. So yeah, whenever I post about Skims and like post in the outfits or that like I ordered it, I get a lot of questions about like how the quality is, because a lot of people are hesitant to order because it's a Kardashian brand, which I totally understand. But I feel like Kim like actually cares about Skims in a totally different way. Like when you're ordering from like Hailie Cosmetics and recently Hailie Swim, you have low expectations. Like you know it's not going to be great, you know you're paying for the name, but I feel like Kim really does care about like fashion, and I feel like she puts a little bit more heart and soul into her stuff than some of the other Kardashian brands that we have seen. I'll link the exact items that I ordered in the description box if you guys want to check them out, but cannot rave enough about them. Okay, and then here is the black tank, and I feel like for such like a basic tank, it is so sexy. I love the fit of this. Like I just can't get over it, you guys. And this is what the sleep tank looks like on. This one's a little bit more sheer, so like if I didn't have a bra on, you'd be able to see some things, but it is very comfortable. I would wear this one out. Okay, this is what we are attempting to make tonight. Okay, here is the finished pasta. I'll link the little recipe that we found on Pinterest in my description box. But it was super simple. It's literally just like butter, lemon, zucchini, tomatoes. It's really easy and it's actually very good.
Alright, well, here we go.
We're
good.
Pretty good. So the only thing that we added to the recipe was crushed red peppers, just for a little bit of spice, and it is so good. It's like a very lightweight pasta. It's really good. I was telling Hugo that this would be really good with like grilled shrimp in it because it has like almost like a scampi feel to it. I like it.